To use the Decent Wallet, start by downloading and installing the application from the official website or App Store. Once installed, open the wallet and create a new account by clicking on the Create Wallet option. You will be asked to set a strong password and provide some basic information. Next, you will be given a recovery phrase, which is a list of words used to restore your wallet in case you lose access to it. Write down this phrase and store it in a safe and secure location, as it will be the only way to recover your wallet and funds. After creating your account, you will be taken to the dashboard, where you can view your account balance and transaction history. To send or receive cryptocurrency, click on the Send or Receive option and follow the prompts. You will need to enter the recipient's wallet address and the amount you want to send, or provide your own wallet address to receive funds. One of the key features of the Decent Wallet is its ability to support multiple cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. To add a new cryptocurrency to your wallet, click on the Add Asset option and select the cryptocurrency you want to add. To ensure the security of your wallet, make sure to enable two-factor authentication and keep your recovery phrase and password safe. It is also recommended to regularly update your wallet software and back up your wallet data to prevent loss of funds. In addition to its core features, the Decent Wallet also provides a range of tools and resources to help you manage your cryptocurrency portfolio. These include real-time price charts, transaction tracking, and news updates. By using these tools, you can stay informed and up to date on market trends and make informed investment decisions. Overall, the Decent Wallet is a secure and user-friendly platform for managing your cryptocurrency holdings. By following these steps and best practices, you can use the wallet with confidence and take advantage of its many features and benefits. Remember to always prioritize security and take steps to protect your wallet and funds from potential threats.